Hey Simran, what are you searching for? You look so stressed.
Teacher.
Oh, I know. Do you want to be a teacher?
Yes, I want to start my career as a teacher, but I don't know any place where it will provide me a proper guidance.
Really? Are you searching for that? Wait. Haven't you heard about a place called Nawa Shindamkon?
Nawa Shindamkon. Don't they teach only rhymes?
No there. Nawa Shindamkon teaches not only rhymes. They teach Hindi, English, Maitai Mayek, art and craft, child psychology, yoga, rhymes, computer, method of teaching, and even they have smart class too. And they provide 90% job opportunity.
So what are we waiting for?
Shall we go and fill the form today?
Yes!
Come, let's go.
For more details, please contact 8837 483810 and 8794 782217.